Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Killer's Chain Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Diarrhea review for of Mohanlal's serial crawls under your skin and refuses to leave hours after watching. Are you planning to watch Diarrhea in theaters? Here's the Pink Villa review for you to check out by Gautam as published on 3rd November 2025. Diarrhea is a Malayalam language horror thriller starring Pranav Mohanlal in the lead role. It was released in theaters on 31st October 2025, coinciding with Halloween. Directed by Brahm, Brahmyugam's Rahul Salasvigan. The movie also features actors such as Sushmita Bhatt, Gibin Gopinath, Jaya Kaur, Arun, Ajay Kumar, and more in key roles. If you are planning to watch this horror adventure based on some true events in theaters this week, here's Pink Vella's review for you to check out. The plot Dies Area follows the story of Rohan, the son of an Indian American architect who lives a spoiled rich bride lifestyle in a posh locality of Kerala. His life of affluence takes a grim turn when Connie, a girl he was once involved with, passes away. At her funeral, Rohan swipes her hair clip and keeps it as a memento before returning home. However, he soon begins to be hunted by Connie's malevolent spirit who ruffles his hair, makes the sound of a chilanka won't grow and even goes so far as to grab him by the collar and choke him. Terrified, Rohan seeks answers to the haunting with the help of Madhasudanan Poti, an ocular specialist and descendant of Premiergum's Koduman. Will Rohan survive the hunting and why he is being targeted from the core of the movie? The Kurd, following the success of both Kalam and Prayagum, director Rahul Sadesivan delivers yet another feast for fans of Indian horror. Unlike many other films in recent years, Styles Ira does not rely on cheap gags or lazy humor to sell its scares. This is a genuine and technically brilliant attempt at crafting a film that shakes the audience to the core with its storytelling, the grim and tense atmosphere built through the narration gives a whole new dimension to the familiar haunted house trope. While the movie does employ certain cliches, it never depends slowly on them. The steadily building tension feels as if something is crawling under the viewer's skin, weighing heavily on the throat and sending chills down the spine. The film effectively evokes fear not just through visuals but also through its tone and sound design, making it one of the best Indian horror movies in recent time. As in his previous ventures, Sadasivan demonstrates to a deep understanding of the technicalities that make a horror film truly work rather than relying on gimmicks or overblown effects. He creates something fresh and authentic. The filmmaker also managed to incorporate Easter eggs from Bhuthakalam and Brahmyogam into the world of Dice Irae without making them feel forced. On the technical side, Christo Exever once again impresses with his musical brilliance, crafting a haunting background score. The cinematography, editing, and sound design are all top notch. The band, while most of Dice IRA is effective and engaging, it is not without flaws, though they are relatively minor. Despite its beautiful storytelling and technical findings, the writing occasionally feels dragged, especially when leaning on familiar cliches. However, this is not a major issue considering the film's overall impact and its runtime of under 2 hours. The performance, while opinions about Pranav Mohanlal's acting caliber have often been divided, Desiree serves as a reminder of why we won the Kerala State Film Award as a child artist. The film allows him to delve deep into his acting roots. The 35-year-old feels entirely natural in the universe. The sharp looks, the cream tone, the entire arrogance that gradually dissolves into pure fear all make you wonder where this version of the actor was in Europeanum and Russian Galoko-Shesham. Apart from him, Kipin, Gopind and Padikalam actor Arun Ajay Kumar also deliver stellar performances. The verdict Dice Area is a horror film crafted specially for the theatrical experience with effective storytelling and atmosphere. If you are a fan of chilling, truly haunting cinema, this one is definitely worth watching. Also read SSMB 29 Big Update. Mahesh Babu ruins SS Rajamouli surprise by confirming Priyanka Chopra and Prithviraj don't miss fun banter. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.